Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Bosch oscillating tool is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your toolbox. From cutting through wood and metal to sanding and scraping, this tool can handle a wide range of tasks. Its oscillating motion allows for precise cuts and detailed work, making it ideal for both DIY projects and professional applications. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and performance of this tool. Number 5. Bosch GOP 12V 28N12V Max Oscillating Multi-Tool. This tool features a best-in-class grip, ensuring maximum torque transfer for efficient performance. It allows you to tackle tough jobs with ease and precision. With this versatile tool, you can accomplish a wide range of tasks. It's perfect for flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, grinding, and more. The tool is compatible with all StarlockMax accessories, giving you the flexibility to handle various projects. This ensures you have the right tool for any job. Powered by an efficient EC Brushless 12V Max motor, it delivers impressive power. This provides outstanding performance without weighing you down. The wide oscillating arc enhances accessory utilization and boosts productivity. This feature ensures you get the most out of every task. The variable speed dial allows you to match the speed to the application. It offers speeds from 5,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute for outstanding results. It features a magnet in the interface for assisted blade changes. This makes changing blades quick and easy, saving you time and effort. What we like. This tool features a best-in-class grip, ensuring maximum torque transfer for tough jobs. It's powered by an efficient 12V Max motor, offering an impressive performance-to-weight ratio. With the variable speed dial, you can easily match the speed to your application. If you're looking for a compact and powerful tool for detailed work, this is the one for you. What people say. When it comes to oscillating multi-tools, no company seems to do it better than Bosch. It's not only appreciably smaller, but weighs around 2 pounds, W battery, or about half that of the Bosch 18V brushless multi-tool. This tool does not disappoint with its smooth operation. Vibrations, at the grip, are practically non-existent even at the highest speed setting. Number 4. Bosch GOP 18V 34 and 18V Brushless Oscillating Multi-Tool. This oscillating multi-tool features upgraded user handling. It provides increased cutting performance and an outstanding blade grip. You'll find it easy to use and control. The StarlockMax 3D tool accessory interface delivers a three-dimensional blade grip. This allows for more torque transfer. It also provides an 8x faster accessory change compared to the standard OIS interface. The handle has been redesigned with a rotated battery position. This 90-degree rotation makes handling more convenient. It also reduces interference when flush cutting, making your work easier. This tool incorporates vibration control, reducing vibration by up to 80% compared to the previous generation. This feature enhances user comfort and control during operation. The slim grip design provides more comfort and control. This allows for better handling and reduces fatigue during extended use. The brushless motor delivers power and speed comparable to corded oscillating multi-tools. This ensures you get the performance you need without the limitations of a cord. It features a top speed of up to 20,000 oscillations per minute. The improved cutting angle of 3.4 degrees provides more efficiency to the worker while performing cuts. What we like. This tool boasts enhanced cutting performance and an outstanding blade grip. The StarlockMax 3D interface allows for 8x faster accessory changes. Moreover, the vibration control reduces vibration, making it more comfortable to use. If you are a professional who values efficiency and comfort, this tool is your best choice. What people say. The Bosch StarlockMax device is the best of these three and I don't doubt the best of any multi-tool. The Bosch is like other Bosch tools, smooth motor, low vibration, thoughtful ergonomics. The tool is designed to balance the weight when held, so it feels lighter in your hand than it is. Number 3. Bosch GOP 18V 28 and 18V Oscillating Multi-Tool. Introducing the new multi-tool from Bosch. It's designed to be compact, yet powerful. This tool is perfect for a variety of tasks. The StarlockMax 3D tool interface provides a three-dimensional blade grip. This feature allows for more torque transfer, making your jobs easier. This tool can handle flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, grinding, and more. It's a versatile tool that can tackle many different projects. It utilizes all StarLock and StarLock Plus accessories. This gives you a wide range of options for any task you need to complete. Experience power and speed comparable to corded tools. It delivers the performance you need without the hassle of a cord. The EC brushless motor offers better efficiency. This results in increased runtime and exceptional motor life, all in an ultra-compact design. The wide 2.8 degrees oscillating arc provides better accessory utilization. This feature helps increase your productivity on the job. What we like. This tool offers corded-like performance in a compact design. It utilizes StarLock Plus accessories for quick change technology. The EC brushless motor provides increased runtime and exceptional motor life. If you need a powerful and versatile tool for various tasks, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Bosch Oscillating Tool is a versatile tool that can handle a variety of tasks. The tool's design allows for easy blade changes. The oscillating tool's variable speed dial is a great feature. Number 2. Bosch GOP 55-36B StarlockMax Multi-Tool Kit. This is the Bosch GOP 55-36B StarlockMax Multi-Tool Kit. It features the StarLock 3D tool accessory interface for a superior blade grip. This allows for more efficient torque transfer, making your jobs easier. With this multi-tool, you can accomplish various tasks. It's designed for flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, grinding, and more. It's a versatile tool for any project. The tool is driven by a powerful 5.5 amp motor. It has reinforced metal gearing and a 3.6-degree oscillating arc. This design ensures better accessory utilization and increased productivity. The constant response circuitry maintains the desired speed under load. This feature ensures consistent performance, even when the job gets tough. You can rely on it. The variable speed dial rotates from 8,000 to 20,000 strokes per minute. This allows you to match the speed to the application. This ensures outstanding results every time. What we like. This tool is driven by a 5.5 amp motor with reinforced metal gearing, delivering extreme power. The 3.6-degree oscillating arc provides better accessory utilization. The constant response circuitry maintains the desired speed under load. If you are a professional who needs a powerful tool for demanding tasks, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Bosch Oscillating Tool is a versatile tool that can handle a variety of tasks. The tool's design allows for easy blade changes. The oscillating tool's variable speed settings are useful for different materials. Number 1. Bosch GOP 55-36C2 StarlockMax Multi-Tool Kit. This tool features a StarLock 3D tool accessory interface. It delivers best-in-class blade grip, providing more torque transfer. This feature ensures efficient and effective performance. This multi-tool is incredibly versatile. It can accomplish flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, grinding, and many other tasks. It's a true all-in-one solution for various projects. The tool utilizes a dynamic accessory range. It works with all StarLock, StarLock Plus, and StarlockMax accessories. This wide compatibility expands its capabilities. It's driven by a 5.5 amp motor with reinforced metal gearing, providing extreme power. This powerful motor ensures it can handle tough jobs with ease. The tool has a 3.6 degrees oscillating arc. This design delivers better accessory utilization and increases productivity. It helps you get the job done faster and more efficiently. What we like. This tool is driven by a 5.5 amp motor with reinforced metal gearing, delivering extreme power. It utilizes all StarLock, StarLock Plus, and StarlockMax accessories. The 3.6 degrees oscillating arc delivers better accessory utilization and increased productivity. If you are looking for a tool with a wide range of accessories and extreme power, this is the one for you. What people say. I used it practically for every project. I am even using it for an attic framing project where it is easier to make a correctional cuts with the Bosch, instead of taking the part down to the miter saw again. The GOP 55-36 is one of the strongest on the market. Starlock makes blade changes super easy, but you will not find cheap knockoff accessories. I am happy with Bosch and fine attachments, and use them both. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.